Picture this. It's December 2025, which starts tomorrow. Everybody and their cousin is booking flights to Europe for the Christmas markets. Germany, Austria, and Prague. All of that. And don't get me wrong, it's gorgeous during Christmas time. But the flights, chaotic and high. The prices, oh my gosh, highly disrespectful. The flight delays, it will humble you. And that jet lag, listen, if you don't have 2 weeks to recover, forget it. So instead of fighting the crowds in Bavaria or sprinting through airports in London, what if I told you 5 U.S. cities right here in the United States are giving Europe a run for its money this year, 2025? I'm talking about 5 Christmas markets that are trending hard for 2025 because the vibes are magical, the food is authentic, and the budget way friendlier. And before we go any further, stay with me until the end because one of these Christmas markets I'm about to mention has a feature that shocked me so much. I had to replay it more than once. It's like they said, we are done playing small. Let's show Europe how we do it here in the United States during Christmas. Are you ready to see the big reveal? Let's get right into it. First up is a market that the Midwest has clearly been gatekeeping for years, and it's in Cincinnati. I can't even pronounce the name, but let me try. It's called Christkindlmarkt, and it doesn't have an E at the end. And listen, if you think Cincinnati is just about chili and baseball, you are not ready for what I'm about to tell you. This Christmas market has one of the most authentic German holiday vibes you'll ever find without crossing the Atlantic. I'm talking hand-carved nutcrackers, real German bratwursts, mulled wine that will warm your whole spirit, and vendors that look like they were flown straight in from Munich. And here's the thing. This market is huge, but it still feels intimate. The decorations, detailed. The entertainment, traditional. The lighting, perfect for Instagram without even trying. It's one of the top trending Christmas markets in the United States for 2025. And honestly, I get it. Later in this video, I'm going to tell you rather, because I'm not there to show you, right? Which one of these markets has a light show that looks like you're at Disney World. It's as if Disney said, we need to step our game up. Yeah, for 2025. All right, next up, we're heading down south virtually to the Greenville Christmas Market. And baby, this one is straight up cozy vibes and Hallmark energy. Greenville has quietly become one of the cutest downtowns in the U.S. And during Christmas, it transforms. Think snow machines, Christmas cottages, hot cocoa stands, twinkle lights on every tree, and live performances that make you want to adopt a golden retriever and bake cookies for your neighbors. That's how it makes you feel. And let me tell you the secret about Greenville, South Carolina. It's not overwhelming. Some markets hit you like, here's 87,000 people and one hot chocolate stand. Not at this Christmas market. They have usable space, beautiful layout, and they're ready for the crowd. And the vendors are local artisans, which means no two booths are the same. You walk through that market and suddenly you're like, why do I want to buy handmade candles and knitted socks? Because the Christmas spirit jumped at you and you could not escape it. That is exactly why. But listen, this next one, it took me all the way out. And that's the Dallas Expo Christmas Market in Northern Virginia. When I tell you, this is not your little neighborhood holiday fair. No, it's not. This is the Super Bowl of Christmas markets. It happens indoors. It's massive. And it feels like they said, what if we took every Christmas market you've ever seen and turned the volume up to 100? That's how it feels. It's vendors from all over the world, Turkish lamps, German ornaments, handmade jewelry, Swiss chocolates, African art, Scandinavian decor, all under one roof. It's like traveling the world without going through immigration or airport security. And this is why this one is trending, because people want the Christmas market experience, but they don't want to freeze in the cold. They don't want to be shoulder to shoulder in 25-degree weather. No. They don't want to be holding their coffee in that kind of weather with gloves on. No. Indoors means no weather drama, no wind attacking your face, and no soggy socks or shoes. Come on now. They gave a chance for anyone to have an unforgettable experience with this one in Northern Virginia. All right, now let me take you to the one that surprised me the most, and that's the Czechoslovakia Christmas Market. And here is where it happens, in Washington, D.C. Yes, Washington, D.C. I said what I said. This market is organized by the Czech Embassy, which means that they brought authenticity. If you've ever wanted a European-style Christmas market without flying to Europe, this is the closest thing you'll ever get in the United States. And I'm talking about handmade Czech ornaments, traditional pastries, Christmas carols, crafts, and cultural performances. And the decorations, they're out of this world. DC does not play about presentation, honey. They go all out. And here's the loop. This market is smaller, so it fills up fast. If you plan to go in 2025, get there early. Not fashionably late. Early. I mean, doors open early. You miss out once, you'll never do it again until the following Christmas. And now let's talk about the market that is quietly becoming the star of 2025. And that is in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Michigan did not come to play, honey. This market has everything. A giant Christmas tree. I mean, really big Christmas tree. European-style chalets, incredible food vendors, live music, craft beer, and winter wonderland setup. That makes every corner look like a postcard. So you can take a lot of pictures for your memory bank. But the real reason it's trending, Grand Rapids added a light experience that looks like the Northern Lights. Decided to drop into the Midwest for the holidays. This light show is so gorgeous. It feels like Disney Imagineers came in with a clipboard like, no, fix the lighting over here. It's that level. And people are traveling from all over the world and the United States to see it. So here's the bottom line. If Europe is too expensive this year, 2025, and if your passport is expired or soon to expire, if you want Christmas magic without worrying about international flights, jet lag, or flight delays, these 5 U.S. markets right here should be at the top of your list for 2025 and you're making your plans. So start making those plans now. Don't wait a day longer. Remember that, because you don't want to miss out. Now, before you start planning your trip, grab my ebook bundle called 25 Plus Secrets Airports and Airlines Don't Want You to Know. Whether you're traveling to the Christmas market or not, this guide will save you money, time, and stress whenever you're traveling. The link is in the description. Please go grab it now so you can be prepared for your next international trip. And make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because in my next video, I'm going to reveal the secrets to a seamless experience during a major travel disaster. And that one is going to change the game, the travel game that is. So make sure you travel smart, stay cozy, and happy holidays. See you soon and safe travel. Enjoy. Please do.